In this video, I'm going to show you how to dimension in Tinkercad. Now to do this, first of course you want to place the object which you want to dimension. So I'm going to go and use this box over here and place it around here. And I'm just going to make it just a bit bigger and like this, okay? There we go. Now that's the first thing you have to do. And then to dimension, we're going to be using this ruler tool over here because it's so convenient. So click on it and then you can zoom in and actually position it over here directly next to your object, okay? It's super simple. If you have Snap Grid enabled, you'll be able to go and place it directly next to it. Now when you do this, as you can see, we now have the ruler next to our object. And if I go and click on that specific object or shape, there we go. Here's all the dimensions we can change. If you go and change the shape now, the dimensions are going to change automatically, just like this. And then what you can also do is basically change it, move it around. And as you can see, it's going to give you the exact numbers over here directly, and they're always going to be updating. What's also great here is that you can also type them in manually without having to drag and guess and hope they're actually going to snap to the correct place. So if I click on here and change this to, for example, I don't know, 75, and I press enter, there we go, it's going to change. I can do the same for height over here, and I can do the same for all of these numbers around here, okay? So if I do like 100 over here, there we go, it's going to go there, and of course, it's going to allow you to change things however you want them to be, okay? So that's the best way and the easiest one by far to dimension in Tinkercad. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.